This is how to sew your double Welch pocket. You can see, this is it. You fold it. You fold it like this. You can see 0.3. This one too is 0.3. When you bring them together like this, you measure it. What you're going to have is, you can see what you have here. So this is it. I fold it already, not like the other ones they used to do. So what you do here, the length of our pocket is 5 inches. We mark our 5 inches like this. 5 inches like this. Now you roll. Normally I use 3.5 for my dart line of the pocket, and I start at the end of the dart. I'm not doing it on top of my dart. Take note. So this is the down one. I'm using the fabric because I have enough material. You can use suit lining while your material will be up to this level. So I'm using it. This is it. This is the one that will be down here. This is how we fix it. Like this. Fix it like this. You can see that. So when you are sewing it, you don't make a mistake. I'm sewing exactly on the line. That's it right there. I'm sewing on this line. You stop right there. That's it. That's the first step. The second step, you come here. When we put the two together like this, you measure it, whatever you have. You come back here and use that measurement here, just like this. Look at the lines here. Look at what I have here. The middle line too. This side too. Everything must be very accurate. Then you rule it with your ruler. Okay. So now, this one, you sew it like this because you are going to turn it down. Make sure you sew exactly on the line. Exactly on that line that we drew there. So that's it. You can see everything is accurate here. Can you see? You measure it again and make sure you get exactly the same thing. My lines are supposed to be very equal. So you can see one is not equal. I'll correct it. Yeah, it's equal now. This is also equal. This is also equal. Before you tear it, make sure all these things are correct. So I'm cutting. So this is how you cut gently. Let's say half inches before that line. You come like this to meet your thread line there. Don't cut above it. Don't cut above that line. It's going to give you problem if you make such mistake. You're going to stop at that line. Remember, that is where all your stitch stop. So here we go. You put this one inside like this. And you put this one back inside like this. And you have your pocket. So you go to your table and iron. Come right here and iron it out. You first of all iron from the back like this. That's it. This is our pocket right here. You push this in. Now you come to your sewing machine. You can see what we are doing. You sew here. You can sew this side. This V here, you're going to sew it. You're just going to sew it on the straight line. You are not going to go inside too much or come outside too much. That's it. Can you see that? This is the other V. You bring them together like this. You are just going to stitch only that line. That's it. You come here to iron it properly. If it's white fabric, you place something on it while ironing. This is your pocket. You can see that. And you see that's very clean and very neat. So you come like this. The finishing here. Depends on how you want to make it deep. I notch here so that when I'm turning it, I notch here and I come like this. This is the easiest and the simplest way. Sometimes you can use suit lining for your pocket or pocketing, but I'm using the fabric because the fabric, I have enough space. So I turn it. After turning it out, so the pocket should be very strong. I can stitch it like this. Come here again, and I top stitch it. So this is it. So you come here, you arrange your material like this. That's it. Arrange it like this. When you open here like this, you stitch here down. You trim this excess. It's not excess, you have to trim it so that the back of your trouser will be very simple. You don't need that fabric. You can do it like this, and you stitch the middle here to bring it together. See that shape? That's it. That's the pocket right there. If you like, you top stitch, but not all the time I top stitch it. Thank you for watching. That's your back pocket. So simple, easy, and neat. The back here, just iron it. That's your pocket. Can you see?